When you hire a fence contractor, you're not just paying for materials. You're trusting that company will be there if you ever need them again. Here's the truth. Some fence companies pop up, build a few jobs, and disappear. No long-term stability, no real accountability, and no guarantee they'll be around if there's a problem. At Loudon County Fence, we carry an unlimited contractor's license in Tennessee. That means we meet strict financial requirements, maintain proper insurance, and have the stability to operate at a higher standard. In simple terms, we're built to last, just like the fences we install. When you choose a fence contractor in Knoxville and East Tennessee, choose one that will still be here tomorrow. Loudon County Fence, built strong, built right, built to last.